Humanoid robots have made remarkable advancements in recent years, showcasing the potential for them to perform various tasks and roles. However, the notion of humanoid robots completely replacing humans remains a complex and distant prospect. Several key factors contribute to this assessment. Firstly, the complexity of human abilities poses a significant challenge for humanoid robots. While they can excel in specific tasks and movements, replicating the full range and intricacies of human capabilities, especially in dynamic and unpredictable environments, remains a substantial hurdle. Another crucial aspect is the development of social and emotional intelligence in humanoid robots. Human interaction involves a level of emotional understanding and responsiveness that current robots struggle to emulate. Achieving a genuine understanding of human emotions and social cues is a complex task that requires continued research and innovation. Cost and accessibility are practical considerations that hinder the widespread adoption of humanoid robots. Building sophisticated robots with advanced capabilities is an expensive endeavor, limiting their feasibility for large-scale human replacement. The associated technological challenges further impede the progress toward achieving this ambitious goal. Ethical and social considerations play a pivotal role in the acceptance and integration of humanoid robots into society. Concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the ethical use of artificial intelligence and robotics raise important questions that need to be addressed before widespread adoption can occur. Moreover, technical limitations persist in areas such as sensory perception, fine motor skills, and adaptability to diverse environments. These constraints limit the overall effectiveness of humanoid robots and hinder their ability to fully replace humans in various roles. In conclusion, while humanoid robots demonstrate impressive capabilities, the idea of them replacing humans entirely remains a distant and complex prospect. While humanoid robots may augment and enhance certain tasks, their complete replacement of humans across various domains remains a challenge that requires continuous research, development, and ethical considerations.